Hey guys, this is Coach Bill with Bill Mabry Online Coaching. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hey guys, today is a very special topic for me. It's very close to my heart. And the reason for that is, is because I've been working with type 2 diabetics and people with fatty liver disease for decades now. And right now, I'm seeing a lot of misinformation by health professionals and doctors on how to reverse type 2 diabetes and fatty liver disease. And what they're saying to their patients and clients is that no, you cannot reverse type 2 diabetes and fatty liver disease naturally. And that's absolutely not true. A matter of fact, there are many, many doctors out there that have completely changed their health platforms on treating their type 2 diabetic clients and patients by getting away from the medication. And the way you do this is by changing the types of foods you're eating and how often you're eating. And guys, the doctors and health professionals cannot deny science. The truth is in the science. And they can't deny it because these science research sites, which are actually researchers and scientists doing clinical trials on people who have type 2 diabetes and fatty liver by just changing the type of foods they're eating and how often they're eating, and they're actually reversing type 2 diabetes and getting people off the medication. There's way, way too much science. And so what makes it so dear to my heart is because right now the type 2 diabetes is an epidemic in the young and old. And it's especially affecting the young because they're getting type 2 diabetes at a younger age because of the type of meals that they're eating. Their families do not have time to cook because they both work, so they're eating a lot of ultra processed foods, starchy foods, and high sugar foods, and that's causing the young to contract type 2 diabetes, which means they're going to get affected by the side effects, which could be liver damage, kidney failure, and heart failure diseases at a younger age. And this is all on the science research sites out there, because they've even put the side effects of type 2, or just go in Google side effects of type 2 diabetic medication. That's all you have to do. That actually has had type 2 diabetes for years. She's been going to the same doctor for years, and she's been on the medication for years. And when given the information on how to reverse type 2 diabetes naturally, followed by the science research proving that it can be done by just changing the types of foods you're eating and how often you eat, then she took the information to her doctor and said, well, is this true? And the doctor says, yes, it is. Well, her question was, why haven't you told me this years ago so I could at least try doing this and get off the medication so I do not get those side effects? And of course, you and I both know the reason for it. But anyway, here's a quick sneak peek at our step-by-step plan to lower blood sugar levels in type 2 diabetes and people with fatty liver disease. And this is the book cover. And this is my disclaimer. I'm not a doctor. I don't want to be a doctor because I don't want to be governed under the AMA. Their hands are tied. This information here shows that these two programs are over 2,000 years old. And so they're not a fad diet. This is nothing new. This has been out there for over 2,000 years. This page also gives you information on what's included in the packages and courses you're receiving. Guys, you are getting all the tools and all the education and all the book training and all the video trainings you possibly need to be successful in reversing type 2 diabetes and fatty liver disease. And you're even given pictures of the types of foods that are going to help you reverse these two diseases. And if you get a package, you're getting a personal coach, which is me. I'm going to keep you accountable. If you get in a course and you can keep yourself accountable, then you can purchase the course at a lesser price. But we'll get into that in a minute. This is what sets us apart from all the other courses out there, guys. is that we're going to monitor not only your glucose level, but we're going to monitor your ketone levels, because this is how you're going to reverse your diabetes and lower your blood sugar. These two numbers will be calculated together to give what they call a GKI index, and that's how we keep you accountable to make sure you're producing ketones 24/7, which is going to keep your blood sugar low and make sure your glucose levels are at a healthy level all the time. And also, this is going to help you with knowing that the types of foods that you're eating is also going to be able to make sure you're producing those ketones to keep your blood sugars low. Now, the byproduct of doing this is always going to be weight loss. The byproduct of doing this plan or package or program is going to be helping you seniors reverse or slow premature aging. So guys, this is kind of a sneak preview of what you get. Basically, the root cause to your type 2 diabetes is always going to be the types of foods you're eating and how often you eat. On this page here, I've got the 90-day package. I got the 60-day package where you're getting me as a personal coach to keep you accountable. Then you have the 90-day course, which is for those of you that can keep yourselves accountable. But you're still going to get all the training books and all the training videos to keep yourself accountable. Plus, you're going to get a video on how to keep yourself accountable so that you do not fall off the wagon and you can reverse your type 2 diabetes and fatty liver disease. Take the time, go to my billmabrycoaching.com, check out the website, check out the science that actually are in the packages and courses so that you will have a full understanding that you can reverse your diseases, type 2 diabetes and fatty liver disease, naturally, and eventually get off all the medications so you do not contract those side effects. You guys have a great day.